time, getting ready for my man, Robert Bryce, to join us here, do a little pre-show setup. Kind of liking these intros. I'd like to get feedback from people to see if, because I cut these intros out of the video, and since obviously they're not part of the recording session for the radio show podcast, I'm curious if people actually watch them. And I find them, I mean, kind of interesting and setting everything up. So Robert Bryce, again, the first time he was with us was on, that's Robert texting me right now, reminding me to turn my phone down, which glad he did that. He was with us in January of 23 this year. We called that one 4 Whys Concerning Energy. I hope you get a chance to check that one out, the podcast or the video, whatever you prefer. Robert is just, it's very informative, and I'm trying really hard not to cover ground again because he's a valuable contributor to our show. There comes Robert now. So check that one out. That was back, I don't know, 7-8 months ago since we're recording now. Hey, Robert, how are you?
Hi.
Turn your volume up.
Hi. Sorry, I'm a few technical difficulties here this
No
morning.
problem. No problem. I believe me, I totally, as we both know, technical difficulties with this stuff happen all the damn time at the worst freaking times, right?
I did a radio thing yesterday and I was like, I'm not hearing you very well. Well, I had the volume turned down on my end. It was like, and I figured it out after the hit. And I was like, oh God.
Turn your volume up a little bit because you're a little soft for me right now. Turn that up just a tad.
Okay,
We're
how about
recording.
there? Is that
That's
more
better. That's perfect. We I was just promoing, because this intro segment that I cut out, just telling everybody about your first episode here. Good to see you, man. I'm really, it was very exciting. And I had, I turned your episode on to several students at Michigan State, and they loved it. I mean, the young people, and those are the ones, right? Those are the ones we got to get in their head, because they're getting, I don't want to say on video that they're getting corrupted, but they're certainly getting some really weird information. And it's like, guys, we've got to see both sides of this, right?
Indoctrinated is the word.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to
indoctrinated. They're being lambasted. They're being scared. They're being
okay. All right. I'm going to go
misled. How many more adjectives do you want? I can give you a bunch.
Can we talk about that a little bit about,
sure,
because I'd love to go there. And then I have the Substack. I mean, these interviews with you are so easy. I mean, so I need you for an hour. We'll get going here. I want to eat up your time. You look good. Hope you're feeling good. Your family's good. We'll do the This Is Your Life thing. Remember, it's 5 segments. And then that 5th segment, messages to our younger self. Maybe we'll do the indoctrination thing in the 5th segment for the messages to our younger self. That's not a bad idea. How's that sound to you?
Sure.
Because I do that one and I cut it out. We do a separate thumbnail for it, but it's like, I think that's a good kind of spin to go that direction. We got plenty to talk about before that. So,
of course.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. Give me a check again. I want to see your level. I wasn't
3, 2, 1. Check. Hello. Good morning from Austin, Texas, United States of America.
Let's go, Austin.
Yeah, baby.
How's that homeless problem down there?
Oh,
you stay away from it.
We're becoming a big city, and homelessness is a problem in all big cities.
Absolutely.
The issue of the day is not necessarily homelessness; is the heat. It's just been brutal down here. I mean, just for days and days. And
I mean, it's just we got issues we got to get fixed. That's all. That you and I, we're just we're out there just trying to control what we can control and help people understand things. So let's rock. Here we go.